Asana Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the Asana Affiliate Program, breaking down how it works, its benefits, and who it's best suited for. If you're interested in signing up, you'll find the links in the description below. Asana is one of the leading project management and team collaboration tools, trusted by businesses, freelancers, and organizations worldwide. With features like task management, timeline views, workflow automation, and integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, Asana helps teams stay organized and efficient. Whether you're a small business owner, project manager, or part of a large enterprise, Asana simplifies task tracking and collaboration. Now, let's talk about the Asana Affiliate Program. Asana partners with Impact, a leading affiliate network, making it easy to track referrals, commissions, and payouts. Affiliates earn cash commissions for every successful referral who signs up for a paid Asana plan. The exact commission structure can vary, but Asana offers competitive rates compared to other project management tools, making it a great choice for marketers, bloggers, YouTubers, and tech influencers who create content around productivity, SaaS, and business growth. Signing up is simple. Once approved, you receive a unique referral link to share via your website, blog, social media, or email campaigns. When someone clicks your link and upgrades to a paid Asana plan, you earn a commission. The program provides a solid earning potential, especially if you have an audience interested in project management software, team collaboration, or business productivity tools. One of the standout benefits is Asana's strong brand reputation. It's a widely used and highly rated tool, which makes it easier to convert referrals into paying customers. However, keep in mind that commissions apply only to paid plan upgrades. So if your audience primarily uses free tools, conversions may take longer. Overall, the Asana Affiliate Program is an excellent choice for content creators and business professionals who want to monetize their audience while promoting a trusted productivity tool. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate program reviews. Thanks for watching.